Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can blend or merge videos using CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project in my CapCut PC, and for example, I'm going to blend those two videos. First thing first, I'm going to add the first video to the main layer. Okay, and for the second video, I'm going to put it on the first layer. Okay, and I'm going to cut it first, right? Okay, and if you want to blend videos, you can go to the video section and go to basic, and you have to scroll down until you find the blend option, and you can choose the blend mode right here. There will be a bunch of options for you, and you can choose the blend tool or the blend mode that you want to apply to your video. And I'm just going to select overlay, and let's take a look at the final result. As you can see guys, that two videos have been blended. Alright guys, and that's all the way to blend or merge videos using CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.